Where are you heading to today?
About, I think it was 2 miles down the road, straight here.
So this is Mitchell.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I don't remember. Let's look.
Okay. Are you loaded right now?
Sailboat fuel.
Sailboat fuel?
Yes, sir.
No kidding. Okay. You got the package and everything?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I've got it.
I'm glad you caught that. Denver, Colorado.
Okay. So you're coming from Denver to Mitchell?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You got your, can I see your license again? I'm sorry. Do you film all your stops this way?
I do YouTube, actually.
YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So are you pro law enforcement?